Hello, I am Esther. Today I am in Rome. No, not indeed, I am at home, but I will cook a dish typical from Rome, spaghetti alla carbonara. They say that the first time this dish was made by an Italian cook for the English and American troops during the Second World War. With the bacon and the eggs, the dried eggs they had, and some pecorino and pasta that the chef found in Rome. I will do it as we do it nowadays. This is guanciale, that is a cured meat made by the cheek of the pork, salt, and as you can see, a lot of pepper. This piece is about 250 grams and it's enough for 500 grams of spaghetti. You have to dice it, as I do. If you can find guanciale, you can also use pancetta, but not smoked. If you can find pancetta, then okay, use bacon. This is Pecorino Romano, cheese made with sheep's milk, typical from Lazio, the south of Toscana and Sardinia. We have to put the guanciale in a hot pan. It have to become crispy, but not burn. So you have to be careful. When it's ready, it will be almost transparent. The fat it will release will be the seasoning for our pasta. Set aside for later. For 500 grams of pasta, you will need a whole egg and 5 yolks. Add the pecorino cheese, add to the eggs. I added also some Parmigiano Reggiano. It depends on your taste. You can use just pecorino, you can use both of them like I did, or you can use just Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano. You have to mix it well because we have to make a cream with the eggs and the cheese. And set aside for later. To cook the pasta, the rules are 1 liter of water and 10 grams of salt for every 100 grams of pasta. To cook spaghetti, you have to mix it like I do in this video to prevent them to stick together. You can use whatever pasta you like, but for carbonara usually we use not homemade pasta, pasta that you can buy at the store, a good quality pasta. Meanwhile the pasta is cooking, I add some water of the pasta in the mix of egg and cheese to melt the cheese and prepare the cream that we will need to season the pasta. When the spaghetti are ready, put them in the pan with the guanciale and mix it well. Add a little bit of water. I asked a helper for mixing the pasta because I can't do this trick with the pan. Turn off the stove and add the cream you made with eggs and cheese. I didn't add salt because the pecorino cheese and guanciale are already salted, but it depends on your taste. If you think that it is needed, add some salt. Be careful not to overcook the eggs because it have to look like a cream, not like a scrambled eggs. The last thing to do is to season with some pepper at your taste. As always, you can find the list of ingredients and some tips on the info box. You can match it with white wine or a rosé. Enjoy it!